Why are you sad?
No.
Are you wanting Alicia?
Yeah.
You want her to come eat dinner with us?
Yeah.
Do you love her? Do you love Alicia? Say, Alicia's my friend. Is that your calendar you made?
Yeah.
You did a good job.
Yeah.
And Eda made the other one?
Yeah.
Is that your kitty? Careful, she might hit you.
Yeah.
Does she hit you?
Yeah.
Sometimes. What are we going to have for dinner?
Um,
Tacos?
cookies.
Alicia's going to eat? Alicia likes tacos. And Mama can sit here? And Daddy can sit here? Yeah, we'll scoot it back up.
Okay.
Because it's not at the table, is it? But we'll scoot it back up. Okay. Do you think Alicia's going to knock on the door?
The door is open. Okay. Mom.
Who's going to go night-night? Nobody?
Nobody.
Okay.
Here.
Is she coming? What color is Alicia's car? Green? Eden made that and put it on the door for us.
I can put myself.
Mm-hmm.
I'm afraid.
Yeah, the spider's all gone because Halloween is over. Eden's watching Fern Gully.